In this video, we will unbox and set up the SureColor F1070 garment printer. Included in the box is the following: a complete set of inks and maintenance liquid, plus a white ink pack, a 10x12 platen grip pad, shirt smoothing tool, maintenance kit, power cord, and a user guide kit. With assistance, place the printer on a level surface in the desired location. Remove all the blue tape. Remove the 2 transport screws and plastic supports. Connect the power cord to your printer and then plug it into an electrical outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer and follow the prompts on the menu. Set the preferred language, date, time, and measurement settings. Open the ink cover. Remove the top tray, insert an ink pack. Gently rock each ink pack before inserting it into the appropriate ink slot. Repeat for each subsequent ink pack. Close the ink cover. Press the OK button on the control panel to start initializing, and the printer will begin charging the ink delivery system. The printer will display the time remaining. Do not disturb the process by opening the covers or turning off the printer. The printer will indicate when initialization is complete and display a message to open the cover to remove the ink charging unit. Press the wrench icon and select Print Nozzle Check. Press the print button and a pattern will be printed onto the platen. Review the nozzle check pattern results. Select Clean if necessary, otherwise choose OK. Clean the platen with a damp cloth. Please review our videos for instructions on how to complete the software setup, Epson Cloud Solution Port registration, and more.